Benin, the name of the program, they reach you from independent television. You remember, so I tell us, say today, now election, and more election matter. Now in BC, we go, they look. Today now, what be the road? Because politicians don't do their own. They don't tell, they say their campaign stopped yesterday. It stopped yesterday. But you are the electorate, you won't be voter. Again, what you going to do? Your own work still continue, go up and again tomorrow. Will be the main day. What will be this work that when BC is supposed to do? Maybe not BC the content you can't do what BC not do for his high book. We get someone when BC go talk to us for this matter. May talk to us because he has sharp for this matter. His name now Chris J. Carey. Welcome to our program, Chris.
Thank you.
How
you doing?
We did.
Tonight 2 days now.
The election don't reach ground now. Before those the apple everywhere. By tomorrow now. The whole thing will come down.
Will come down. When you don't reach that kind of 4 o'clock, they don't finish.
Okay. The question I will ask now,
yes.
When be the time for the voters to take for where they vote?
That's a good question. Because as early as 7 o'clock, make voters go where they vote.
Okay.
The reason I be say, una go need to go there. Una not go stand anyhow, scatter anyhow. Let the place come there rowdy. When una go there, una go queue up. Because now, the process we una go take votes a long small. So if we come early, we go know when INEC people go come. INEC people supposed to be there by 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Una eye go open when they come. Una go see the material where they bring. They go open up for una present. The security people go there with una. Everybody go there, so your eye go see everything. Because if your eye see everything, you not go quarrel. Waiting your eye see, you will not say they're doing well or they're not doing well. You not go wait make person tell you. So we encourage voters as early as 7:30, make themselves done there. Make them they wait for the INEC.
So by application, election voting, matter no will start until that kind 8:30 or 9. Because the way you talk now, if you go there by 7 o'clock, like you talk, you don't do there. The INEC can't come. Let's make INEC reach there before 8 o'clock or 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
After I say don't reach there now, they need to come to set up their things and all that.
Exactly.
One will take up to 50, 20 minutes, or even 30 minutes.
Yes.
Before they say yes, the thing will start. From that point now, what do you mean I can't do as a voter? Man, I help carry that load, come out, come the
no, that one not concern you.
Okay.
Because your own will make you come vote. INEC go arrange their material. People did the polling station there. INEC official did there. Presiding officer did there. Assistant presiding officer did there. They go tell una what una go do when I reach there. But what una supposed to do, una go queue up and one by one. Una go line up. When you reach your turn, you go front. You will go do all the things what you supposed to do before you go vote your own votes.
Okay.
So when you reach there, you don't get anything what you did do.
Okay, this one
make you go stand.
Like the start for life. This one like you go the call accreditation.
Yes.
You get the one when BC say we want to, want to know. As the BC we go there now, they don't tell us, say, do this one, do this one, this one, this one. You go immediately go vote and be high, go be, I mean, you go wait first.
You don't say before. They say you go do accreditation, finish, go wait first. If they waste time,
okay.
If they make the process this slow. So what did they do now? As you start the process, you know they come back until you complete them.
Okay.
You go do accreditation. Now from that accreditation, now you go go the polling unit.
Okay.
Now just place where they call polling and where you they vote gone and be the polling unit. And they don't tell us, so they get how they go put the box. Will be say it not go hard you to want to finish, make you put them. Then they say they get how they go put the box. Will be say those where they sell votes. It go hard them now. Make they take show somebody before hard they say that they take sell vote. Now they say they want put the paper inside. You get how they go take star eraser. Make the people where they give them the money see. Now where they say they go put the box according to INEC, what they tell us. Now they say you not go fit show that paper again. So now only you and your conscience. When you reach there, you put the paper and you fold down the way where you suppose fold down. You get how they go suppose fold down. Where the ink not go take stain. You know, so the paper long well this time when they take the vote. You go put her inside the box. Your own don't finish. If you finish, if you like to stay the environment, make you not make trouble. INEC permits that one. You move come out for line. You not the line again. You go stand for where fast small. You stand there, make you know how the results will be after the election.
Okay, what about the one, because we don't hear another one about telephone?
Yes.
I mean, don't know this one. Say,
people don't talk plenty things about that one. INEC not talk say make you not bring your telephone come police station.
Okay.
That is the environment.
Okay.
You know, say like the whole of this studio now, TB the polling station.
Yeah.
That na station.
That
and the environment is that.
Voting center.
Voting center. But what INEC say? Now be say if you want start that your accreditation, when you take on carry that your ballot, that your
vote,
your phone go day off.
Okay.
Are you following? You put them for your pocket.
What about if I offer and I can't go that can on?
Now then you don't break the law.
Now they talk to them. Where are they votes that? Now let me go there.
You not hide like that. Not the way they do there. We go. They see you because the position.
If they see me, how you know they see my voter's card?
No, we just see your body. Okay. Not me say we just see your card.
Okay.
We just see your body. The way you will take stand, the way they take tell us. We just see your body, but you not say we just see your card. Okay. If you put body like this, it be like when you do ATM machine. If you stand in front of the ATM machine like this,
okay, nobody
they see your body.
No.
Yes, because the reason why people they put on phone there, they want to use our talk there.
Okay.
And when they see you, so if because you say you too, they take there. You when you don't do accreditation finish, when you supposed to put ballot inside box. What you can they do there? Before your phone go on, it will take a few seconds now before your phone go put. And if they do that one now, you don't break the law.
Okay.
And police there fit arrest you there.
Okay.
So they break the law.
Okay.
So they're not also not bring phone come there, but you not go fit carry phone on, take it go inside that booth where you want to go.
Okay, make we go back to the other one where we say they not go agree me you take and take may take photo enter. More go back small before that and after don't do before you go snap and now because when you go one snap, they won't go straight for say so you are vote for make you know before you go that side. Again the one we say concern the printing.
Confusion plenty.
Plenty inside the matter.
You know,
so people say no use your thumb take do am. So people
say this finger you not go put the front o. So they go put some people paint back o. And then make we tell our people now. The time when we go do wetin that they call registration, wey they do wetin that they call biometrics. Now be say I want to know everything about you. If I know something about your 2 finger, I don't know something about your 3 finger. I don't know everything about you. The time we go do biometric, that we put all our 5 finger. They will say put this one, put that one, put the second one, put the third one, put the fourth one. The reason why they do that one, now make that machine capture all your finger. Okay, what the best way not get one hand?
Okay.
You're not going to use your left hand to vote. So all the 5 fingers where God give us, we will use and vote on that day.
Okay.
All those like where we
only one we go use. Let me start.
Let me say you put the whole 5 apart. What thing we dey talk say na whether na this one you like to use or abi na this one you like to use or abi na this one you like to use or abi na this one you like to use o, but make it be one.
Okay.
You go fit use all your finger. The lie wey we no want na that one wey they go talk say you must use this finger and you no go put the front there o, na only the tip you go take touch that. No be so INEC talk am o. The only thing why INEC say na say that your finger wey you dey use make e no enter another line o. You know the small box dey there. If you just want put am, you go put am for only that small box. Make you not go put am, make you come cross that line or for inside the box. Because if you don't put am, don't enter another line na confusion. So you go just softly put am there. And for will not be northern here. Northern women, you get all this way that they rub for how it be like paint.
Even some of us don't use them.
Those of us
for fashion.
Those of us who use them for fashion. That ink not go show.
Okay.
So that day when you want to go vote, make you wash your hand, make your hand clean, so that when you put out for the ink will show well for inside the ballot paper.
Okay, because the one some people don't say yes, say maybe they don't use this one. Some people don't say yes, because if you look this man, or not be the same.
Don't be the same side.
You say this one they will big well.
Exactly.
The boss when you did that, if it no take this one.
Now two way you go fit do them. As this be the ballot paper, you fit do them like this. Check it. You fit do it like this. Because if you do it like this, there's no way we go take cross the line go that side.
Okay.
You know, say this side nothing there, this side now. You go fit do it like this.
Okay.
So far they inside that.
Okay. So maybe if I look the boss with my eye, I look and say this my thumb.
Then you go know how you put. Let me say you go dip all your finger.
I know now. If I look at it, say the thing too big, or it's too small to take my. I feel this small one put on like that.
Because some people finger fat well. If you use small one, take put on like that.
But the one I want to talk now, when you want to do the accreditation that time, when you want to do the thumb printing and the rest now. Before the effect, you know, see the effect bring your finger.
Yes.
They'll do the card reader. Use your finger.
Yes.
And when you want to read the finger now, now which one they go read for that? Or they go read, I mean only one they go read. Because if they read only one now, maybe they read this my thumb now. I go to and take vote call.
No, the thing where they happen, why did they read the finger? The finger where they read not be for the paper matter.
Okay.
Now to that finger, you know say you don't register. And that machine don't capture you, don't capture your finger. Any of your finger where you put go show say na you.
Okay.
Because all your finger they there. So the moment you put your finger, your picture go show for the machine.
You're not missing that.
That's what I to take know you.
Okay.
Now that's what they call identification.
Okay.
Now to take know you, so now you be the person who get this finger.
Okay. So once I put it, I think anyone.
Anyone where you put it there like that.
You after the done accreditation.
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay, the other one when you say you talk now, you talk about vote buying.
Yes,
so they don't see person for there. Now they put that box there in a way.
Yes.
Whether the vote buy fit come different way. Person now fit bring money. The money now be the one will be say they come on.
Now that they use.
And they use. But if it be say person fit come now, they bring food. They share. That na inducement.
Yes.
If you look at now say yes, na Thomas Ado. Now you know the political party where we say and that I will say now me can share food give you now. Another time they all want to stay here sister, I want to come chop, I want to take water, I want to you understand? I want to address that kind of issue.
You know say the people who they in charge of election, INEC, security agencies, party agents, they don't train them well. Well, on that day, what they call discretion, common sense, it still matter a lot.
Okay.
E get how person action go be. You go know so this person here, he want come bribe people. Make we use the word where everybody know. So you want take food, bribe them, make them vote. But somebody fit can carry water for a party agent where they hungry, or a party person where know. You get how you go still do one. For that place, go. The people who they in charge of that election, they go use their common sense to know whether this thing is right or not right. But the one where you go carry food for food flask, carry plenty food, carry plenty drink, you can't come, you say you want to give feed people, they're not allowed that day. Because the people wait they line, not be you they can't vote for, not be you send the message. Now their duty, now they can't do. If you want to feed them, if you don't feed them yesterday, not be for polling you.
If you feed them for your house for the call day.
Okay, if you carry your own cooler con, the other man carry a cooler con, the other man carry a cooler con. Now party will they do, now vote will come vote. So they don't go allow them what that place that day.
Okay. In case that kind of a thing can happen.
Yes. Security agents, they don't train security agents. They did there. They will come tell you gently. But they tell them they behave very gently for this election. Okay.
I remember the last governorship election when they did for Edo State here. Somebody come a complaint, say, see what happened that a tell policeman. Say, but somebody they buy vote here. Somebody they buy vote here and the rest. When they tell us say somebody they buy vote, somebody they buy vote. The policeman tell us say that one don't my work. My work now to make sure say people they vote for here. Say I put eye inside. So this kind of case, what will happen now?
Yes, you see now some of the problem where we they talk say we get for our electoral law now be all these ones. They hear me?
I with you.
So now some of the problem we say we get for our electoral law now be all this one. Sufficient law not day before to take prosecute those kind of things. Number one. Number two, the education what we get now for this election, they never get on where we were at that time. This vote buying issue. Now everybody don't they aware say people they do vote buying. Security men now get rights to take apprehend within that place police station there where people when the security man don't judge and say this man if they bribe people make their vote, he gets right to take apprehend.
Okay. So but that's the case of last time we will see where to say
that man is not right because he not come make him come luku. He come make sure say the thing that they do there they do and well according to how they paper which is law.
Okay.
Now the law officer.
Okay.
Now you go keep law for there.
Okay. Again special clothes when we say person they wear, they go where we want vote, or you get some kind of things they won't be saying they're not supposed to say somebody.
Like, you not get special clothes where you go wear, but you get special one where you not go wear. The special one where you not go wear, from your cap reach your shoe, anything will get party picture, that what they call logo, or party image will get person, maybe person with the contest election, or party name where they write put, I don't want to call any party name. Are you following?
They put PYZ.
So, or you can't go wear this party handband, or you go put badge, or you go put anything where you go put, where you go carry party matter. No wear and go there, because campaign don't finish 2 days before election.
Okay.
So you're not supposed to campaign again. Any of such thing that they see them as campaign. That means you come to the place come campaign. Law not green. So you not get special one where you go wear, but that one be the one where you not go wear. Go that place.
Okay, well, I see some people, because they hear one thing. What about people when say they come they say something?
Yes.
Around that place.
That's why again, now they call to organizing the polling units and polling booth. People who want to sell pure water and so on, they're supposed to get distance
away from
where they go day.
Okay.
Because people they said this will not be part of the election. Now food they can sell and their money they can make. They're supposed to get very long distance. We don't get anything to do with where these things they happen.
The environmental.
So if you want to drink water, you go that side. Go buy water there, drink your water, come back here, consider. Are you following? You don't get anything. They're supposed to at least not less than 50 yards from where this thing they happen. 50 yards. They go this far. So that if you want to do anything there, you do anything there, you work out on it.
But this 50 hour BC, so you get some kind of polling units or station where BC you will go now. You go something like school.
Yeah, yes.
So school they big well.
You go outside the school now.
No, they big well. Like 15 years for where they do the thing.
Yes.
They think they do it for this side.
Yes.
They inside the same school, I do for this side.
Yes.
That one they accept that one. I mean it must be outside.
Yes, that fence. If the school get fence,
it must be outside the fence.
If the school get fence, you go down for outside the fence, outside the gates of the school.
Okay.
You come carry your this come out for outside, the gate of the school.
Okay. No wahala. You know, say na live program. We go do it together. No trouble. And all of that. Is that the way you take do it just now? Right? Make our message. No problem. Now live program. We will continue.
Yes.
And the way you demonstrate like that, they show people how to do.
I go.
Okay. So make we look that one. Be say you talk now because I be look at when you first say that 50 years.
Yes.
If they do an election for you 50 years away, I go.
It go be outside that perimeter, that fence.
Okay. Okay. You see the one when you be say you say it concern the election. After we don't do they don't check out the process. They don't do the accreditation. They don't vote online. You don't vote. You understand? We have person, how person can't do that.
Now I say if you vote finish, if you want stay, if you want go house, go sleep. Don't do your work finish. The remaining one are INEC own.
Okay.
But if you want stay, make you know this vote where you don't vote, how you go waka, you go stay far small from where others.
If you did fast small, how many go take no idea? Because some people don't say, some people don't say, we don't fit. Some people say they don't even trust themselves.
Yes.
Let's listen to the one go trust on that person.
Yes.
Let's see the one go trust I know.
Yes.
You know, we don't see cases of some people who say they rig election.
Yes.
And before you go feel rig, and they go they must they inside.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So if they take make I go stay away, how many go take no way to be say they do so the correct thing or not?
Now that's the problem there. People know say, or maybe they know say every party get party agents. That is why they tell party say your agent na person where you go trust.
Okay.
Because now be your idea. We not go fit make their vote finish. 100 people, 200 people will vote for one. All of them will come they look there. Now that the whole wahala go start. Confusion go get that time. Your agent now, your agent they stand there throughout everything what they do. They say, agent get right. Anything we not understand, they go say I not understand. They go explain. They go explain it to them. They go ask question. If you want to see something, they go show them. That is the work of agent. So now agent duty to know, make sure say wetin they do there, it dey right. Why you stay from far? Let me say from that far where you still stay to,
you dey see you
still dey see wetin your agent dey do there. If your agent waka comot there, you go know. Okay. Because from where you dey, you dey see the people. But not be your duty to come there, make you come make sure say I be like no. Now they bring fight for polling units. Okay. You no want that one.
Okay, make I take you back a little. You see, they don't check and finish now.
Yes.
Agent don't check and all of that now. The results, how did they do it? Did they announce for there?
Now the law be that.
Say what?
INEC, every polling unit the results when they that's why they say you fit wait.
Okay.
Now results you dey wait for. When they finish
Obviously, they go counter for your president there.
Yeah, they go counter. All of them are going to see and whether they counter.
Okay.
They go counter, then they go write, they go announce the result. They not go only announce and they go post stamp for where everybody will fit see. Now that's why now you go come where they don't post stamp finish.
Okay.
Now it makes because if you dey far, you don't go see her. Now that's why you go fit come.
But if they counter, if they hear.
You 1, 2, 3. All of them go come near. If you didn't there,
okay.
then you go to hear where they go to talk the party name. They go raise and talk the party name. Talk the party name.
B,
talk the hand. So when they come and talk, okay. So party score. So number out. So party score. So number out. So party score. So number. Those things when they talk for their man, then they go write for paper. Then they go put for up there.
Okay.
That time now you go fit come here. You can't do questions.
So if they call caller now, me I call the now as one of the voters now because I say party A. They get 12. I tell the one right now, they come in and say, come go write 21. I don't get right to tell they say, but now 12 you call just now.
You quickly look for the agent. For instance, now the party A agent, now you go look for. Not be you go the protest.
Okay, no,
now your party, now your agent work with that. Because the agent supposed to stand like this, they look out.
The right
whether
hand.
the right hand there.
Okay.
So if you see maybe the agent not here well, with the agent say now 22 they call just now, what they call the right hand 21 there. Then now the agent work responsibility to carry on to go tell the INEC official say the time when you call now 22 you call why you come be say now 21 now you write there. Okay,
even me as this thing I no get right to do it.
No,
because I no get right to do it. Yes. What I gonna do for them?
What you they do for them? Now be say I saw. God forbid. It's not be only I saw. Okay. If you be witness tomorrow. Okay. But God forbid say the matter can't pass like that. It can't become argument. It can't go court. You go come say I hear with my ear. When they call and write hand down, I get my own piece of paper. I write hand down. So you will be witness.
But if I write hand down, that kind of thing. I don't feel get the voice back when you pay take the counter. It's possible now. Say yes. Even me when I know here. Yes. I feel come out to write because call witness. Yes. If you don't listen to 22 now. Yes. 22 on the right. I feel no now 40 are here. And all of that.
Now the thing with the trained judge for be that. Now the judge now go determine whether your witness is credible in the circumstance or not credible. Okay. And your word against the word of the people with some documentary evidence. So what about the judge? Because we don't hear cases before today when they talk and say some judges have been compromised. Yes. And that kind of thing. Like I talked before, person don't trust himself. Let me tell that person. The judge now, if I be human before because it comes judge. So what about if the judge can't get interest and that kind of thing? So now your word against the man word that now you get in a way now you hold the yam, now you hold the knife, now you hold the everything. Now you cut out the way you like. You see, Sado, look you they see why some people they cry if they believe say something they wrong with judiciary. They're too important, especially for this kind of election matter. They're too important. As you talk and they hold the yam, they hold the knife. So judiciary suppose they what they call above. No, we not fit suppose blame judge, say blame for judge body. Now truth, now judge supposed to be talk. Because when judge talk true, anything we wanna do for outside we not good. Now court go the correct time. So court go come they help they build the democracy with that. Because if they correct, if you not say anything what you do for outside, court go scatter it go correct am. You know, it go even discourage you, make you not do it for outside. So it good make judiciary they very, very truthful. Make judges they very fair. Make they not get any interest. They not be politician, a judge they be. Make them be judge.
Okay. Make I take you enter the election proper. I go let you come out.
Okay.
The other day, the presidential candidates, all of them gather. They sign peace accord. Me don't know what that one mean for the election. We say they say that one say yes, say na me don't win, na me don't win.
No, it not mean say na you win no. Those days if you write jam finish, they send you jam result. They will tell you say this one not mean say they don't give you admission no. They just tell you say you don't pass jam. Okay. So what did they sign that day? Na be say me don't talk say Nigeria big pass all of us. Now Nigeria be our home. We not go take our hands scatter Nigeria. We not go fight for Nigeria. Election not go make us fight. Me say I agree. I put down my hand for paper. The other man say he agreed to say Nigeria is better pass all of us, a big pass all of us. Now be our home. We not go fight for this country. We must get peace. He put his hand down for paper. Now they call peace pact. Now agreement say peace go day. Now agreement say we go tell our people when they vote, make them not go fight for them.
They say peace pact before, but at the end of the day they come because now parts, now agreements.
Yes.
At the end of the day, because maybe Nigeria here they
Yes.
even for the other countries there, when we say they do election, when we say at the end of the day fight come out and the rest. Peace part did there.
They sign up.
They sign up for Venezuela.
Yes.
When they do election that time,
yes.
when Cosa Maduro had
yes.
They sign up.
Yes.
But the Wahala see they did there.
Yeah, that's one that they call unforeseen contingency for big Oyibo. We don't know human behavior. That's why law there. We don't feel trust human being feeling say go use the common sense. Some people say if you don't feel trust them feeling say they like peace. So law, now they there. Law now they level everybody. If you can't go against what you sign, law suppose follow a road to catch you and teach you that lesson. Okay. Say if we agree, say and this thing we go do, you're not supposed to go against that agreement.
But if we agree, say
yes.
and this thing we go do at the end of the day, the Senate party Q,
yes,
now win.
Yes.
At the end of the day, when they really say and say
yes.
true, now party X. Now win.
Yes.
And you know, Mr. X no go green now.
Yes.
Mr. X no go green.
Yes.
Because they go declare Mr. Q winner.
Say,
when they say yes, now he do it.
Yes.
Now he supposed
yes.
to win and everything.
Yes.
They no go agree. So you go tell me something because say the man don't sign peace part. So anyhow when you be made take like that.
And you know say peace. They know the peace not get what they take the replacer. Because at the end of the day, now peace
so
will still come back.
Now,
what the man go do? That's why court. Maybe the why you talk judge just now. That's why tribunal and court they there. Make you just gather evidence. You no go fight, you no go quarrel, but you go hold the evidence. You go follow law. You go follow law. People will win. When you know say that now them win. Make them not turn back from that man back. Make they follow the man. Make they follow law till they follow and reach Supreme Court until law go say now win.
But they get cases of people want to say for different election before they say we don't win, go to courts. You understand? They'll tell you say yes, say they don't already declare the this thing. They will tell you say go to court. We wait for you for court.
Anything where you want to make you
do. Maybe you can't court because at the end of the day you don't get where between. They will tell you even before the court. They will preempt. They'll tell the end even from the beginning.
Yes.
At the end of the day, now that end when we say don't fair talk, then go see what happen.
People power. Now that time we need people power. You know one of the reasons why people when they go court they tire. People will vote the vote where they cheat. They will can't leave only the man for the battle. Make them know they leave the man for the battle. Because if you say go to court, now we people, now the court they serve. If we people plenty they talk court say, court we see this thing. Now injustice be this, we see this thing. Now injustice we not go fight, we not go quarrel, but now injustice be this. They go from court to court. At the end of the day, we feel see justice for that matter.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my
brother.
Thank you, my brother.
God bless you.
God bless you.
You don't hear all of the other say don't tell us now. Tomorrow be the day. So when you come out, maybe say you go cast your vote for the who you want to make it be say yes, say he lead you presidential own, National Assembly own, Senate and House of Reps, and they do tomorrow. So if you want the president when we say did there, you want to make it remain there. Go there, go put hand for your back. You know the party where they say you put hand. But just in case, say yes, say you don't do your beg, I don't want you again. You know who you go vote for. Vote wisely, don't be fight. Just go there, vote for your person. The same thing that be say go happen for the National Assembly own. If now Senate, the senator when be say did there, you like him, you want to make it remain there, put hand for your back. I don't want to make it remain there, you don't too much. You don't do this one for me, you don't do this one for me. Put from that person back when you say your own side when you say you want to make it come. The House of Representatives, the same thing that you say will happen to tomorrow. Vote for who you want to make it. If you want to make it remain, you put on. If you want to make it come out, it will come out. We'll talk about that. You will stop at first. We'll come back, continue. Where we say we'll stop because many things then they will be say we'll talk about election. Don't go anywhere.